Let me think. Now I run off question. I think you answered pretty good.
OK，
你爸爸妈妈周末做什么呢？
啊，我爸爸喜欢看电视，
嗯
我妈妈喜欢听音乐
嗯，
和
那
做饭。
Can you really start speaking Chinese just within a couple of months without years of study? Well, my student Billy did. In fact, you will hear him with me having a 6 minute full conversation, all in Chinese. Now, Billy doesn't really want to show his face in camera, but you will hear him loud and clear. What matters is his progress. Billy started by learning Chinese on his own, memorize words here and there from the video or from the app, but he never learned it systematically. So he never learned pinyin, he never learned tone, he doesn't have the foundation of the grammar, and he doesn't even know what is the sentence pattern. So no structure, no feedback. Until 2 months ago, he decided to change that. So in today's video, you will hear how far Billy has come and also Billy share what exactly helped him to finally speak confidently. Okay, awesome. So what I'm going to do, I'm basically going to just ask you the question and you just answer me. So I basically ask you all in Chinese, which you all have already learned before.
OK
Don't
OK
worry if you're gonna take a bit longer to think to answer me. So we just kind of think it as like a practice, but it's more on online. Okay?
OK OK，
All right. So I'm gonna speak Chinese now. So 早上
好
好，Billy。
啊，早上好，老师，
你叫什么名字
我叫比利，
？OK。你来自哪里？
我来自美国，
你是学生吗？
我不是学生，
那你做什么工作？
我是文员，
那你在哪里工作？
我在I don't know how to say California in California，
Oh, it's okay. You can say 我在 California 工作 that's fine as well.
yeah，我在 California 工作，
Perfect. 请问你今年多大了？
我今年4岁了，
你今年20岁了。
对，
OK。请问你家有几口人？
我家有4口人，
嗯哼，So 有谁？
啊，我的爸爸，
嗯哼，
我的妈妈，我的弟弟和我。
很好。请问你的弟弟多大了？
我弟弟啊，17岁了，
So 你的弟弟今年17岁了。
对对对
很好，那你的弟弟是学生吗？
对，他是学生，
嗯，那你的爸爸妈妈退休了吗
没有没有，
？OK，那你的爸爸妈妈做什么工作？
我的爸爸是啊护士
你的妈
护士，
妈呢？
我的妈妈是主管，
主管啊，很好。那你的爸爸在哪里工作
我的爸爸在医院工作，
？OK，在医院工作。那你的妈妈在哪里工作？
我的妈妈在公司工作，
OK，在 California 的公司工作吗？
对，
非常好，非常好。Billy，那你周末喜欢做什么？
我周末喜欢听音乐
嗯哼，
和看 YouTube，
然后你周末喜欢听音乐和看 YouTube，very good。那请问今天是几月几号？
啊，今天是 5月25号，
请问今天是星期几？
今天是星期天。
哦，非常好。今天是星期一，我的时间今天是星期一。
哦，OK，OK，
现在几点了？
现在6点啊03分，
分。现在是晚上6:03吗？
对对，晚上
哦，那你今天做什么了？
我我以前啊复习中文，
你今天复习中文了。
对，
哦，非常好。那明天你打算做什么？
明天我打算做完中文作业。
明天打算做完中文作业。Very good。那你昨天做什么了？
我昨天啊看 YouTube 和休息。
昨天看 YouTube 和休息。Very good。OK。OK，very good。OK，那你啊、你周末，let me think. Now I run off question. I think you answered pretty good.
OK，
你爸爸妈妈周末做什么呢？
啊，我爸爸喜欢看电视，
嗯
我妈妈喜欢听音乐和
那
做饭。
听音乐和
做
做饭。那你弟弟呢？
我弟弟喜欢玩游戏，
玩游戏。嗯，那你喜欢做饭吗？
我不会做饭，
你不会做饭。
不会。
那你喜欢吃中国菜吗？
我喜欢去中国菜。
你喜欢吃中国菜，很好。Very good. Okay, so let's just stop in here.
OK
So I would say that's really impressive. That's really, really awesome because you actually replied to me literally instantly. That's
哦，
that's amazing, Billy. That's literally amazing. Plus, I actually before talking to you, I was like, okay, because before every time you answer me, your tone is always perfect. So I was like, right, you probably when you answer me, you practice a little bit and then you answer me. And I was like, I wanted to see what's that like when it's one on one. And then your tone
嗯
is absolutely amazing. I was just really, and I know it's blown my mind.
哦，谢谢。
So okay, so now can I ask you some question about you studying because it's been a while, like
OK
2 months. So I actually do want to ask you a bit more question about like how you study so that you can like I
OK
want to get some tips from you so that you can also help other students. All right.
OK, that's fine.
But what part in the course that you think that you probably help you the most so far?
I think the video is very good. Like the explanation. Like for example, like mayo is used for the past and
嗯
fu is used for the present and future.
嗯哼。
Yeah, I think most beginner will not understand that, but you explain it very good, so that's good.
Okay,
Yeah,
so you quite like the part that I explained for the grammar.
yeah, yeah. The grammar, yes, yes, that's
Does
very
that help you
good.
to, let's say you learn this grammar that you can apply and then you can come up with your own sentence like you learn this one and then you can come out for like 10 sentence but you apply to the same grammar?
Yeah, that helps because before in the past, I don't really know when to use bu or mayo.
Mm.
Sometimes, why do they use bu? Why do they use mayo? I kind of like don't get it.
Yeah, it
But
was
after I watch
confusing.
the video, I understand more. Yes.
Okay, so because I teach you like systematically, so you know, oh, okay, I use it in here, and now I use boo and then use there.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, awesome.
And I think the vocabulary builder, uh, you say the word in Chinese, and then later you say the conversation in Chinese. That's helpful because uh, it's helpful for students to watch and repeat after the teacher. I think, yeah,
Okay.
that's very important.
Okay, so you're saying I say the words first,
Yes,
individual words,
yes,
and then I said it in a sentence, and then in a
yes,
conversation that helps you to
yeah,
learn,
to learn and memorize. Yes.
memorize. Okay, cool. Very good. Thank you. Do you think, because I feel like on you, I see a big possibility for most of students, because most of us still think, right, I definitely need someone to practice every single day so that I can speak fluently. But in fact, on you, I actually see a different thing. Actually, that's how I practice English as well. Like, I didn't really practice a lot with other people. I think, but you just like repeating, like
Mhm,
stop and then reading, repeat yourself. Do you think that
mhm.
actually help you to be fluent as well?
Yes, I think that that helped for me personally tremendously. I think.
Yeah. What motivate you to keep doing this? Because a lot of people are like, okay, I wanted to start, and then they give up halfway there. But you constantly doing
Uh,
it. What's your secret?
uh, no, I just want to be able to speak to Chinese people. That's why I want to do it. I have some Chinese people at work. I
Okay.
want to be able to talk to them. That's why, yeah.
So after you learn, let's say like for example, you learn some new topic, do you like after you finish learning that and then practice that, do you actually trying to use them in your like use them with your colleague and friends?
Yes, I try to use it, but we can't always talk every time. We're not even in the same department. But when I see my friends, I try to use it.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So how do you feel when you okay, like for example, I studied this one, and then you say ask them like, how many like 你家几口人, how many people in your family and stuff, and then when they respond, and can you actually reply to them like you literally like use what you learn in
Uh,
the real life?
uh, I'm better than before. Yes, I can I can hold a conversation longer than before. Yes.
Oh, so how do you
Yeah.
feel about that when you actually, you just learn a little bit and then you use it and then you actually can have a little bit longer conversation with it? How do you feel?
I feel very good. I feel like more motivated. Yes.
Yeah, so is that like positive, how do you say positive cycle?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So it's like
Uh-huh.
they understand you, they talk back to you, and you have a little bit conversation that boosts your confidence so that you wanted to practice more, to learn more, and then
Yes,
talk more.
yes, yes.
Can I know a bit roughly, like you say you don't really meet your colleague that much, but when
Yeah.
you do meet them, you do, actually practice with them. So how often do you actually meet them?
No, only like a week, only like maybe 2 times a week, out of a week.
Oh, two
And
times a
if we
week.
meet, yeah, and if we meet, it's only like maybe like 2 minutes max. We can't we just can't stand and talk, you know.
Of course, no.
Yeah.
Okay, so just meet twice, and every time just like a mini conversation, just like two
Yeah, yeah,
minutes.
just many conversation. Yes.
And then every time, are you talking about the same thing, or do you actually talk about like new things every single time?
Uh, Sometimes the same thing, sometimes different things. Like if I learn something new, I try to use it, you know,
Hmm.
see how it goes. Yes.
Okay, so if you
And
talk about oh, sorry, continue.
and in the past, sometimes he understand me, sometimes he don't understand me. You know,
Okay,
sometimes like he understand what I say, sometimes he doesn't understand what I say. But I think now it's better. It's better than before. Yes.
okay. Is it more to do with the pronunciation wrong, or
I think I think it's more like I try to speak English. I mean, I try to speak Chinese in an English way, and he's kind of like, no, no. In Chinese, we don't say it like that. Do you
mm,
know what I mean?
yeah, yeah. So like
Yeah,
the either the sentence order wrong, or you just direct translate from English to
yeah, yeah,
Chinese.
yeah, yeah. And he said like, no, in Chinese, we never use it like that. But I kind of know what you mean, but we don't
Yeah.
use it like that.
So right now, also after you learn like quite of systematically all the grammar and all that, Do you think now you more understand? For example, we're talking about the time and location. We don't talk exactly like English, like those
Right. It's
old.
opposite.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
it's
helped obviously.
opposite.
Okay, that's really awesome. Cool. I'm really glad, Billy. That's really awesome, and I think that also helps me understand a lot more. Like also help
Uh-huh.
other students understand a lot more how you can make such a good in progress within a short time. Are you fully finished that 6 weeks course or not yet? Because I haven't
Not
seen
yet.
your
I still
homework.
got I think I still got two more lessons for the last 6 weeks, I think.
Yeah, two more lessons. Okay. Awesome, Billy. Thank you so much. And that's all for today.
That sounds good. And
Okay.
th thank you very much.
That's all good. Thank you so much. 非常感谢，谢谢你。
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Have a good
Bye
day.
bye.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Bye.
You too. Bye bye.
Bye. Okay, hope you enjoyed the conversation me and Billy have. If you're wondering, how does Billy manage to speak so well, especially about the tone? Then you're lucky because the next video I'm going to make is about how to master Chinese fourth tone literally within 10 minutes. So you can looking forward to that. So at the meantime, while you're waiting for that, you can check this video. So if you're ready to learn Chinese in a smarter way with structure and personal feedback, well, click the link below. I have created some of the free resources in the community. So if you think this video is helpful, please do me a favor, give a like so that more students can find it. And also if you'd like more lessons about Chinese learning or Chinese sentence or Chinese words, just subscribe and hit the notification bell so you wouldn't miss any single episode. Okay, thank you guys. That's today's video and thank you for watching and I will see you next time.